Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into a story that's catching the attention of both the renewable energy and digital asset communities. And it involves a company that's been quietly making big moves behind the scenes, Datavault AI, ticker DVLT. If you've been tracking emerging technologies, AI-driven platforms, and blockchain-based digital asset tokenization, then this is going to be an exciting ride. So, buckle up. Datavault AI, as some of you might already know, is a company that specializes in data monetization, credentialing, digital engagement, and real-world asset tokenization, or RWA tokenization for short. In simpler terms, they help turn physical, tangible assets into secure digital tokens, creating opportunities for investment, trading, and revenue generation in a regulated digital environment. It's cutting-edge stuff, combining blockchain technology, AI, and financial services. Now, the big news is that Datavault AI has entered into a major tokenization service agreement with Triton Geothermal LLC, a Houston-based company operating in the renewable energy sector. And yes, Houston, widely regarded as the energy capital of the world. Triton isn't just any energy company, they're a full-cycle baseload geothermal energy provider, which means they can deliver reliable, round-the-clock electricity using the Earth's natural heat. And here's where it gets interesting for Datavault AI. Under the agreement, Datavault AI is set to receive up to $8 million in tokenization fees tied to an anticipated digital token offering. This offering itself is projected to have a gross value of around $125 million. And that's not all. The agreement also ensures that Datavault AI will continue to participate in the project, earning 5% of all transaction fees generated from the digital tokens even after the offering goes live. This is a significant move because it expands Datavault AI's recurring revenue streams, especially within regulated digital asset markets. But why is Triton looking to tokenize their geothermal assets? The goal is straightforward: to fund the development and expansion of Triton's geothermal energy production. Their first extraction site sits within a geothermal reservoir that's been independently validated by the U.S. Department of Energy. Essentially, we're talking about a proven, substantial source of geothermal fluid that can support long-term, large-scale energy production. Triton has completed detailed market assessments and technical validations to ensure the feasibility of both the energy project and the digital token structure. Datavault AI's role here is central. They have been named the exclusive technology provider for tokenizing Triton's renewable energy portfolio, both current and future projects. This means Datavault AI will handle smart contract configuration, token creation, and the administration of non-custodial controls, all under their proprietary tokenization protocols. Triton, on the other hand, is responsible for setting up and deploying the technical infrastructure that will bring the tokens to life. Before any tokens hit the market, they will be backed by an independent valuation, ensuring that investors have a clear, reliable basis for understanding the token's value. Distribution will occur according to the appropriate securities regulations, which could include exempt or registered offerings depending on the jurisdiction. Executives from both companies have emphasized the strategic importance of this partnership. Pietro Castelli, CEO of Triton, highlighted how Datavault AI's platform enhances transparency, compliance, and operational control over tokenized renewable energy assets. Meanwhile, Datavault AI's Chief Marketing Officer, Sonia Choi, called the partnership an exciting moment, pointing out that it demonstrates how real-world digital assets can meaningfully support renewable energy initiatives. And then there's Datavault AI's CEO and co-founder, Nathaniel Bradley. He stressed that geothermal energy is one of the few natural renewable energy sources capable of providing consistent power, and combining this with structured digital assets creates a unique opportunity to accelerate energy production in the United States. Essentially, we're seeing AI, blockchain, and clean energy converge in a way that could set a precedent for future projects. What's particularly interesting from an investment perspective is that Datavault AI expects more tokenization agreements like this one to become a growing part of its revenue stream. As institutional participation in digital assets increases and regulatory clarity improves, companies that can effectively tokenize real-world assets are positioned to capitalize on a rapidly expanding market. Now, let's talk a bit about Datavault AI itself, because it's not just a tokenization company. Their cloud-based platform offers solutions for data monetization, AI-driven analytics, and Web 3.0 integration. Their acoustic science division is known for patented technologies like YSA, ADIO, and Sumerian, which allow for high-definition, multi-channel wireless sound transmission. Their data science division leverages advanced computing and blockchain to provide solutions for digital twins, asset valuation, licensing, and monetization across multiple industries. We're talking sports, entertainment, biotech, education, fintech, real estate, healthcare, and energy. Essentially, any sector that benefits from secure AI-driven digital asset management. One of the key platforms they use is the Information Data Exchange, IDE, which allows physical assets to be linked to immutable metadata objects. This enables things like NIL, name, image, and likeness, licensing, secure data valuation, and responsible AI deployment. Their platform is fully customizable, offering everything from AI and machine learning automation to third-party integration, detailed analytics, marketing automation, and advertising monitoring. Of course, it's important to note that this press release contains forward-looking statements, meaning that it includes projections, expectations, and strategic goals that are subject to risk and uncertainty. For example, while the Triton Tokenization project is promising, there are variables like regulatory changes, economic conditions, technology integration challenges, and market acceptance that could affect outcomes. Datavault AI is transparent about these risks, reminding investors not to place undue reliance on projections and that actual results may differ materially from expectations. So, what does this all mean for investors and the broader market? Well, first, it highlights the growing intersection between renewable energy and blockchain technology, an area that's likely to attract both institutional and retail interest. Second, it showcases Datavault AI as a leader in the tokenization of real-world assets, capable of handling complex, multi-million-dollar projects that bridge physical infrastructure and digital finance. And finally, it signals a potential revenue growth path as more companies explore how digital tokens can fund, support, and scale renewable energy projects. In short, Datavault AI is not just talking about the future of digital assets, they are actively building it, and in partnership with a company like Triton Geothermal, they are showing how AI, blockchain, and clean energy can work together to create new financial and technological ecosystems. So, whether you're an investor looking for emerging tech plays, a blockchain enthusiast following real-world tokenization, or someone interested in renewable energy innovation, this is a story worth following. Datavault AI and Triton Geothermal are laying the groundwork for something that could reshape both energy and finance. And there you have it, folks. A deep dive into the latest developments with Datavault AI and Triton Geothermal, unpacking what this partnership really means, why it matters, and how it could influence both the digital asset space and the renewable energy sector. If you found this breakdown useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss updates on the next big story in tech, finance, and renewable energy. And as always, keep your eyes on innovation because the future is already being written, one digital token at a time. This is not financial advice.